Now's my chance.
Let's wipe the floor. Give me a letter. Okay. Get out of here, Tiago. All right, guys, we're very excited to be here today with the wonderful, the only, the celebrity,
Mogulthon.
Jungle Bick.
And Luke.
And today, we're gonna play a game of skate. Some call it 80s skate, some call it 70s skate, some call it 90s skate. We're gonna play the world's largest pair of pants game of skate.
Did you fart?
I did, yeah.
Dude, come on.
These are size 16. those are nothing. Those are 40s. These are 60s.
Oh my gosh.
You got nothing. Is there a belt?
A shoelace just fell. Somewhere.
Are we playing full park?
No.
You can't wear it like that. The pants. You put the pants down.
I've seen skaters like this wear their pants.
No,
Well,
dude, it has to be like
Andy
that.
McDonald.
This isn't how we do it,
It
dude.
has to be like that.
I feel like these aren't even that baggy.
Yeah, you can't. That's cheating. Yeah, those are not that baggy. These are. Those are pretty baggy too. You gotta get. Come on, dude. For real?
That is 90s. That's 90s.
No, let me show you what to do. Now you're good. Now you're good. We need some puffy toes. We need some puffy shoes. Okay, guys, so we're gonna play a game of skate. Right now we have our first ever mystery box. You might say, what is that?
What is that?
It's a mystery. So the link is in the description below. We made a box. There's going to be items in it, and I was planning on having it here to show for you, but it's literally on a truck on its way, being driven here right now. So I can't show it to you right now, but soon you will see it. But you won't see it because it's a mystery, and you won't know what's inside of it. There's only 120 of these made. Every one of them will be something in there that's extremely personalized, and yes, it is a mystery box, and you will like it. Link in the description below. And right now, we're gonna play a game of skate. With this guy?
I feel like these are not as big as your guys'.
Well, when you're the world's most famous TikToker, you can have smaller pants. Ready? Wait, I just noticed his tag is still on there, which makes it even more 90s. True Nation Athletic Fit. $64.
That is athletic fit? Dude, I bought these the other day, and these are the baggiest pants I've ever worn in my life.
Dude, you need to rock 60s. Okay, you ready? Got him! Oh, I'm wiping the floor with you.
Full park, yeah?
Why?
Full park, yeah?
These two millennials.
Full park.
Keep the millennial out of here. I haven't skated in months. I gotta warm up.
Do it.
I quit. Who starts it off? Hanky.
That was my chance. Now it's game over.
Yeah, I think it's over. Aaron, time to wipe the floor.
Let's wipe the floor. You look like a TikTok dancer on that.
I'm not gonna lie, Aaron, I think your skate power is amplified by at least 25 times with those pants on.
I know.
You look sick.
I am sick.
Luke, really? A fakey big spin, really? That's what you get. That's what you get. fall wasn't steezy enough.
Oh, I gotta swag it out?
Yeah.
Man, just give me the tray flip. This is all I got right here. This one's for Gabe.
That's what you think about me? That's what you think about me?
I tried my best.
Thanks.
Give me a letter for that. Give me a letter. Okay.
Initiate phase 3 of wipe the floor.
I don't know. They're beating me right now. I quit.
Oh!
You really want me to redo that?
I mean, I did see a toe from way over here.
Oh.
No, we could count it. I just can't do it, so you know, thought maybe try that.
Was there a toe?
No, I think it's pretty good.
Luke, stand up for yourself. You saw a toe. Say you saw a toe.
I was looking over here, but I saw a toe.
All right, go ahead. It's your trick.
See, I could have been out, but now I got to turn. See, that could get him a letter, and I could win the game.
Oh.
Why'd you go so fast, too?
He's from LA.
Oh, you got that.
Were you even born in the 90s? What year were you born?
2000.
Shut up. Dude, I'm so old. Okay. Should we take him out with something mean, green, or lean?
Are you okay? What happened
Never
right
did
there?
that trick in the 90s.
What happened right there? When was the first tray double flip even landed?
I don't know. Not in the 90s, that's for sure.
You don't even try. It makes me so angry.
What do you mean?
No, you don't. You don't even try.
What do you mean?
You're not even trying.
Stop trying to let me win, dude. Get out of here, Tiago.
If you can double flip skinny jeans, you can double flip these.
Land this, I dare you. I didn't want to have to do this to you.
What are you trying to do? Frontside double flip?
Triple.
Oh. Oh, hey, at least the baggy pants protect you, right?
Yeah, yeah. Oh, I got a headache. Oh, bro, with the power of the 90s. Well, at least I walked 10,000.
My first win! Let's go.
Let's go. That was good. That was good.
Really good.
I gotta give it one more try. I'm dying on this trick. Check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and yes, you learn how to ride a skateboard. Remember, we got that mystery box. Check it out. And everything you need to learn how to skateboard at brailleskateboarding.com. We'll see you in the next video.